Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cleaning motivation. I'm doing a speed clean of the lower level, which is the main living space of our house. I typically do this every Friday to keep things nice and tidy, so let's jump into it and I hope you enjoy watching. I'm just going to start in the kitchen by cleaning up and just moving things off the counter and the table and getting everything out of my way so I can get started in the kitchen first. You will see my little helper here running around trying to help and also showing his face in the camera because that's his favorite thing to do when I'm recording. So yeah, I'm just going to get started in the kitchen and putting dishes and all that good stuff away. I try to involve him as much as I can when I'm cleaning because I think it's really great for him to learn, and he honestly loves helping. If he's wiping anything with a rag, he's happy about it. So he helped me with the fridge and wipe the counters. He's such a good little helper. Any other boy mamas out there, I'm sure you can relate to this car madness in your living room every day. We pick up these cars probably 50,000 times. Time for a lunch break. Is anyone else's kids just super picky? I mean, he's not overly picky, but every day he wants to have the same sandwich, which is ham, cheese, and mustard. He loves mustard. But yeah, I'm like, I really need to come up with some better ideas for lunch, but he just wants the same thing every single day. It drives me crazy. Anyway, we're gonna make lunch and eat, and then we'll get back to our cleaning. Can we just take a minute to appreciate the fact that we have an entire room dedicated to all these freaking toys. Like, how does 1 2-year-old accumulate so much stuff in such a short period of time? Still trying to figure that one out. All right, you guys, that's it. That is my lower level speed clean, typical Friday cleaning session. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and make sure you go follow me on all the social media and hit subscribe if you liked this video. And if you want more cleaning videos, please let me know. I would love to start doing some more of these and any other ideas that you have for me to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.